The incidents I just wanted to narrate it. It's occurred on 9th of April. On 9th of April, there was a by-elections for the constitutions of Budgaum, and myself, with close coordinations with security forces, state police, and we have conducted it smoothly for smooth conductions of these by-elections. On the same day, on 9:15 AM, I received a call from an officer in charge of Utligam and Gundipura polling station. He was from ITBP. He informed me through his telephone that there were some around 400 to 500 people gathered in Gundipura, and they were pelting stones to the polling staff, civil polling staff, to the ITBP peoples. Those were inside the polling stations. And at that moment of time, I saw a person, a short person, standing in front of me at a distance of 30 meters from my vehicle. I immediately told my QRT boys to catch hold of him. And in my direction, my QRT boys, they were 5, and along with me, we immediately moved out from our vehicle and started running towards the stone pelter, which we have found later on. He was the I mean to say that he was the person who was instigating them, and he might be the ringleader. And on seeing us, we are moving towards him. He noted it and he started running himself towards the crowd. And we managed to rescue the mine-protected vehicle. And in the meantime, again I announced in my megaphone that give us a safe passage so that we can move out from the area. But the crowd were not listening to us. At that moment of time, suddenly in my mind, the idea of tying him up in the vehicle have came up. And as soon as I ordered my boys to tie him up in the vehicle, by seeing this, the stone pelting had stopped for a while. And that was a fraction of moment where I got a window to come out safely from that place. And immediately I informed all my boys to get inside the vehicles, and we move out from that area. Sorry, these things I have only done to save the local people. Had it been I have fired, there would be more than 12 casualties, which I have not done. But with this idea, I have saved many people's life. Those were 1200 stone pelters, including those boys whom I have came to rescue them. That's all I want to say.